Looking for a comparison of Proton VPN versus Mullvad VPN? You've probably heard that Proton VPN is the best overall, while Mullvad is hailed as the best for bargain hunters. But is that really the case? Stay with me as we break down the pros and cons of each, and I'll even give you a better alternative at the end, one that combines the best of both worlds. First off, let's talk about pricing. Proton VPN, while it offers a free plan, can get pretty expensive if you want the full-featured version. The premium plan gives you access to high-speed servers, streaming options, and a secure connection, but it does come at a higher cost. Mullvad, on the other hand, is a flat-rate service with a simple pricing structure, just €5 per month, no strings attached. It's an obvious win for bargain hunters who don't need extra frills. Now, let's dive into features. Proton VPN comes with solid features like Secure Core, which routes your traffic through privacy-friendly countries, and it works well with Netflix and other streaming services. You also get high-end encryption, split tunneling, and Tor over VPN. But the catch? Some of these features are locked behind higher-tier plans. So, if you want everything Proton VPN offers, you're going to have to pay more. On the flip side, Mullvad is a bit more basic, but it's still a reliable VPN. You don't get as many extra features as Proton, like streaming support or multi-hop, but you do get a straightforward, no-nonsense VPN. Mullvad offers great security, a strict no-logs policy, and impressive speeds for its price. It's perfect if you just want solid protection without the complexity of more premium VPNs. Next, let's talk about server options. Proton VPN offers a large network of servers in over 60 countries, so if variety and server locations are important to you, Proton is hard to beat. Mullvad's server network isn't as extensive, but it does cover most of the important regions. Mullvad's focus is more on privacy and simplicity, so if your main concern is hiding your identity and accessing content without the extras, Mullvad will do the job. But how about performance? Proton VPN delivers decent speeds, especially if you opt for the higher tier plans, but if you're on the free plan, you're in for a slower experience. Mullvad, despite being cheaper, actually performs surprisingly well, often offering speeds that compete with more expensive VPNs. It's a solid choice for users who want reliable protection and performance without paying extra. And of course, let's talk about privacy. Proton VPN is based in Switzerland, which has strong privacy laws, and it has a no-logs policy, which is great. But as a company that also offers email services and other products, it's worth keeping in mind that Proton is not entirely anonymous. Mullvad, on the other hand, has an even more stringent privacy policy, emphasizing anonymity and offering payment options like cash, which makes it a favorite for privacy purists. Next, let's mention the user experience. Proton VPN's interface is clean and easy to navigate, which is great for beginners. Mullvad is just as easy to use, though a little more minimalistic, which might appeal to users who don't want unnecessary distractions. Both VPNs are user-friendly, but Mullvad sticks to the essentials, which some may find more straightforward. So, which one comes out on top? Honestly, it depends on your needs. If you want a well-rounded VPN with solid features, good speeds, and the ability to unblock streaming services, Proton VPN is your go-to option. But if you're someone who's mainly focused on getting the best deal for straightforward security and performance, Mullvad is the way to go. However, after trying both of these myself, I have to say, there's an even better option out there for achieving the goal of privacy, performance, and cost-effectiveness. If you want to experience a VPN that combines the best features of both Proton VPN and Mullvad, I recommend checking out the link in the description. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial available, along with some amazing benefits that you won't find elsewhere. So, while Proton VPN and Mullvad VPN are both solid choices, don't miss out on the better alternative I've mentioned. Check the first link in the description to take advantage of that exclusive offer. You won't regret it.